Hey, what's up? I want to go over an SEO strategy for this site right here, which resulted in a 33% revenue growth over the course of 6 months, right? So in these ones, if you're watching this is the series where I go over these multiple case studies. I don't go over into the details on what the SEO strategy entailed. If you want to look at those, I have some videos on my channel about how to actually do SEO and the details and all that, which is quite boring. Well, the goal with these videos is just to show you that SEO can have a great and positive impact on any business, right? So that's my goal, just to, create awareness that SEO is a good marketing investment. So I guess let's get started. Client, it was named Eastwood. Eastwood is an US auto parts e-commerce store, which came to us with a number of issues. And when I say us, I mean Jacky right here. Jacky is a seller on Vetted. He sells his backlinks here. He also sells a lot of other things. He has an agency, but it was Jacky and his team that developed this SEO strategy. Now, as you see here, this is an e-commerce site, so this was an e-com SEO strategy, right? And what were the issues at the moment of starting? So poor technical SEO. The site was slow, full of duplicate content, and poor user experience. So right off the bat, that's a big no-no. Then, inefficient internal linking. So overall, the strength of the website was not being fully utilized, right? Internal linking in SEO is very, very important. And then finally, CRO issues on desktop and mobile. So poor conversion funnel, meaning no cart abandonment campaigns, no email signups, no email marketing. So all this resulted in a significantly below industry and unprofitable conversion rate. So optimizing the site for conversions is highly, highly important, because I always say this, yes, you can have a site ranking number one on Google and get a lot of traffic, but if the site is not optimized for conversion, so if all the traffic that's coming in is not converting, it's kind of pointless to be ranking number one. So big issue here, which is super important. Now, after the SEO strategy that Jack and his team implemented, here's the results. So the business impact, which is what matters. 33% in Google attributed sales, so over 700K increase in sales. 25% increase in sessions from 260K to 330K in sessions, and 100 plus backlinks generated. So directly correlated to the impact above. As we know, backlinks too are not, of course, not directly correlated with sales, but they are correlated in website growth and traffic, right? So, and by the way, the backlinks are these ones right here. So the links Jacky sells here are the same links that he uses in any of his SEO strategies. So feel free to pick them up right here if you wish. If you use the coupon SECRET5 at checkout, you get a neat discount, so yeah, feel free to use that. Yeah, that's it. It's a pretty short one. Again, my goal with these videos is not to show you exactly the details on the SEO strategy. It's more to show you that SEO can have an impact in any business, whether that's e-com, software, I don't know, whatever it is. SEO boils down to a marketing strategy to drive traffic to your site, right? You can use ads to drive traffic to your site. You can use organic. You can use, and SEO is a part of organic. So I'm just mumbling, but essentially just my way of creating awareness that SEO is a great marketing strategy, in my opinion. Now, I'm a bit biased because I do own Vetted.com, which is a platform where you can hire pre-vetted SEOs, and you can hire Jacky right here for his links, like I mentioned. You can hire a bunch of other pre-vetted sellers for on-page SEO, off-page SEO services. You can even hire me if you want. But if you're looking for a more tailored strategy, you can just click here on this button called Manage SEO. And you'll be redirected to this page. And what this is essentially a page where you can go, click hire talent, fill out a form, and if you qualify, we'll match you with a pre-vetted expert SEO that will take your site from zero to whatever you want to be by creating a tailored, dedicated strategy for you, right? Because most people don't really want to be here picking and choosing different services. I mean, if you know what you're doing, it's great to just buy a couple of links here, buy a couple of content services there on Vetted. But if you just want a more hands-off solution, this is the way to go right here. Because we'll match you with someone and they'll do all the job for you. Finally, if you're an SEO as well or just a business owner, we have this little tool right here, which is just $19 a month and essentially gives you a bunch of SEO data, but only essential one, right? Organic keyword rankings, backlinks, top pages, competitors, even connects to Google Analytics, it has a rank tracker embedded, it has a bunch of stuff, and there's tools like Ahrefs, yes, which are $100 a month, and you pay a lot, and you don't even end up using all the tool. For example, I have Ahrefs and only just use like 10% of the tool. So the reason why we built this is because we wanted to build something more affordable in which people use 100% of it. So that's that. I'll leave a link for this in the description as well. And if you use the code GET50, I think you get an instant 50% off, so that's always good. That's it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.